Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to track the activity of your respondents inside your forms by connecting your Tripetto form to Facebook Pixel. Tracking form activity like this helps you get insights into your respondents' behavior. For example, to analyze form starts, form completions, interactions, and drop-offs. To do this, we start by preparing your Facebook Pixel to be able to receive tracking data from Tripetto. Make sure your Facebook Pixel is allowed to receive data from the domain that your form is running at. See the detailed article in our Help Center for more instructions. After you've configured your Facebook Pixel, you can copy your unique Pixel ID to your clipboard so you can use it later on. Now open your form in Tripetto. Then open the tracking screen from the Automate menu at the top menu bar. This will open up the tracking screen to the right of the builder. Over there you can simply enable the option for Facebook Pixel, and you will see you can enter your ID. In here paste the Pixel ID that you copied before. You can also determine which events inside your form need to be tracked so you only get the tracking data that you're interested in. You can, for example, just track the starts and completions of your form to measure completion rates. Or you could also track which specific questions in your form are actually presented to your respondents. And with that data you could analyze at which question in your form respondents tend to drop off. Now that Tripetto sends data to Facebook Pixel, you can see the tracking data over there and build the desired analysis. How to do that exactly depends on what you want to analyze. And please note that it can take some time before Facebook Pixel recognizes your new Tripetto events. Luckily, Facebook also offers an easy-to-use browser add-on that can help you to see the events that are sent to Facebook Pixel in real time. See the detailed article in our Help Center for more instructions. And that's how you can track form activity in Tripetto with Facebook Pixel. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.